Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a Dollar Tree sticker video. So this is for my Dollar Tree sticker series where I use Dollar Tree stickers and sometimes rub-ons to make cards and other items. So let's see which sticker set I'm using today. So I saw these in my local Dollar Tree and they were new to me, and they're called pop-up embellishments. It's a 7-piece and they have a little shine to them, but not a lot, and they are a little bit dimensional, hence the word pop-up. I used that, and then I also used this. I don't know if you are familiar with her channel, but it's Sassy. She's here on YouTube, Sassy LLC, and every month she gives out the sentiments for her emergency card kit. And so you can just cut them out with your hole puncher, your round punch, or you can cut them out on your, sometimes she has them square, but they're very helpful for making cards. And then I also used, which I haven't used in forever, is my We Are Memory Keeper corner rounder. I hardly ever think to use this, and I saw it, you know, on the cabinet and on my shelf rather, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to use that on my next card, and I put it on my desk, and so I did. And so let's take a look at the card. For some reason, I always grab the envelope too. I don't know, but here it is. It turned out really cute. I used some Cricut gold glitter paper, one of my hole punches to cut out that the really pretty scallop, and then this trim or this ribbon is from Joann, and it's a couple of seasons ago for Christmas, and I love this ribbon. I only have 2 spools left, and I have a little bit, I had a little bit on the third one, which I used on this card, and I'm just like, oh my goodness, what else is going to happen when I don't have this ribbon to use in the future? I'll be super sad. But anyway, here is the Dollar Tree stickers. I kind of was gonna try to make like a wreath, but I didn't think I had enough, and I didn't want to get 2 packs and, you know, make the wreath. But I ended up cutting one of the stems off of one of the stickers so you wouldn't see it, and I could just put it on top here. So I like it. I think it turned out really cute. It's like a spring card maybe for a happy birthday, and then that's the happy birthday that I chose from Sassy's emergency card kit printables, and I think it turned out really good. And so on this one, just kind of like the front, I, you know, notched the corner here, and when I put the sentiment in, I will notch it too, so it'll look, you know, very, very cute. So that's the card today. Let me know what you think. I love reading your comments, especially about this series. It's something I'm kind of have fun with, and then it's kind of a struggle finding a sticker at Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree has so many stickers, but they're, you know, they're the same ones, and, you know, they're not selling fast enough to move the inventory. So when I go in and I see a new one that I hadn't seen before, it's usually like 1 or 2 possibly, you know, I snatch it up so I can, you know, come home and try to use that in a card. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. I don't think I say that enough on my videos, that I appreciate each and every one of you that watches my video. I appreciate each one that gives me a thumbs up, who comments, and who subscribes. So thank you very much, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye.